how to buy Bitcoin with credit card on Trust Wallet. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can buy Bitcoin with credit card on Trust Wallet. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up Trust Wallet app on your mobile and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to this page. Over here, you have to tap on buy, then select Bitcoin. After that, enter the worth of Bitcoin that you want to buy and select the provider as well and tap on next. Then tap on continue. After that, tap on pay with section and select your credit card. And you will be able to buy Bitcoin with credit card on Trust Wallet. So that's how you can buy Bitcoin with credit card on Trust Wallet. That's all for this video.